Okay, so once again, good morning. We will start with oral comprehension check question discussion from question number 2. One is clear to all? If there is still doubt, do tell me. All right. So question number 2 is, did they get a reply? Who are they here? Yes, Maddie and Peggy. Who was more anxious for a reply, Peggy or Maddie? How do you know? Right, okay. Come here and answer.
No, they didn't get a reply from Wanda. Maddie was more anxious for a reply than Peggy. She was very upset and feeling sad for Wanda. Maddie was unable to sleep due to thinking about Wanda.
Okay, answer is correct, but one more point can be added. What else? Yes, Daksh, same answer.
No, they didn't get a reply. They waited for weeks. Maddie was more anxious for a reply than Peggy because after some days, Peggy had begun to forget all about the incident. However, Maddie was still very upset and was feeling guilty for the way they treated Wanda. They assumed that Wanda was not replying because she was deeply hurt.
Okay, ठीक है. Still yes, भूमि कुछ कहना चाहते थे? Oral comprehension check is based on the part that we have covered. It's not based on the whole story. So once, if you get in general, first you will tell that for many days they did not get a reply. Right? And it was that when Christmas arrived, then they got a reply. काफी लंबा समय बाद reply आया. Okay? So here the oral comprehension check based questions are on the basis of the part of the story that you have read, to check your understanding whether you have understood that part of the story or not. Okay? So if we talk about this part, did they get a reply? So Peggy and Maddie, they did not get a reply. And Maddie was more anxious for a reply. As Daksh said that yes, you will add that part where we see that Peggy had started forgetting about the incident, but Maddie, she was still worried and disturbed. And you can quote the example, how do you know me? That how she would not get a good sleep. And in her imagination, she would imagine Wanda to be surrounded by crowd and getting teased by everybody, and how she would prepare herself to say or to save Wanda from that teasing, Eve teasing part. Is it clear? So the example has to be cited here. You have to particularly mention the point that how do you know that Maddie was still disturbed. तो वो पॉइंट बताना है. ठीक है? एग्जाम्पल, इसलिए स्टोरीज को ध्यान से पढ़ना जरूरी है बेटा. रीड इट प्रॉपरली एंड अंडरलाइन मेन फैक्ट्स इन द स्टोरी when you are taking a reading. It will help you in remembering the main points. When you have to answer a question, it will help you in adding those points there. It is not compulsory to quote exact words. The idea should be added there in your answer. The example should be added to justify the point that you are writing in your answer. I hope this is clear. Yes. How did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? Yes.
The girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her because she had gifted them her two beautiful dresses, a green one with red trimmings to Peggy and blue one to Maddie. She had even drawn their faces in the painting of the dresses they got.
Yes, absolutely correct. So when finally a letter was received, we come to know that Wanda, she had forgiven the girls. She did not have any kind of bad feelings against the two girls, Peggy and Maddie. And she had asked her teacher, Miss Mason, to give the two drawings to these two girls. So the green one was given to Peggy and the blue one to Maddie. Even Wanda had drawn their faces along with the dress. And this shows that Wanda, the girls, they thought that Wanda actually liked them. Right? Are we clear? हाँ जी. Now अगला जो है बेटा आपका main है thinking about text, which is now based on the overall understanding of the chapter. Okay? First one, why do you think Wanda's family moved to a different city? Do you think life there was going to be different for their family? Who is going to answer? Why only 2-3 students? Yes, beta, come.
Wanda's family moved to a different city due to bad treatment of students in school towards Wanda and her brother. They were being teased by other students because of the name and appearance. Wanda's father thought that life in big city would be different because people there are not so narrow-minded or free to mind other people's name.
Yes. Anything else? If anybody else want to add something to this answer? Satisfied with the answer that she had read? Yes. So there are two parts and you will answer the question accordingly. First you will explain why do you think Wanda's family moved to a different city. So you will justify that saying that yes, how Wanda had faced this bullying here in the school. She was being teased every day by the children, so she definitely felt bad somewhere. Although she faced those bullying part very bravely and boldly, she used to remain calm. But we see that it actually hurt Wanda. So when Wanda, she used to tell her parents everything. When she shared this with her father, he decided that it was not good for Wanda to study in the school. Right? So that way, it would harm her development in the school. She was getting mentally disturbed somewhere or the other. And they decided to move to some big city. Yes, life was going to be different for their family because Wanda's father believed that in big cities, people never bother about other person's appearance, their names, funny names, right? So that way the life would be easy for his children there. Nobody would tease his children for having funny names or long names. So this way you will justify that yes, of course, in big cities the life was going to be different for Wanda and her brother. Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? Haji.
Yes, Maddie was right when she thought that her silence was bad as Peggy's teasing because her silence encouraged Peggy to tease her. A person who sees something wrong happening in front of him or her is much as offender as the person committing the offense. Maddie was too afraid to say anything because she did not want to lose Peggy's friendship. Also, she was poor herself, so she feared that everyone would make fun of her too.
Okay, you can end up by saying that is why she kept silence. Don't end the answer abruptly. You need to justify Maddie's behavior. Why she kept silent. So Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. And she called it as being more worse. You can add this one. वो खुद के behavior को और भी बुरा कहती हैं कि Peggy तो चलो mean थी, selfish थी. She did not think about Wanda. But she was greater culprit there. दोषी वो ज़्यादा थी Peggy से because she never spoke against her behavior. She never stopped Peggy from teasing Wanda. So yes, she felt bad. उसे बुरा लगता था. उसके bad feel करने का एक और reason था because she always thought that she could be the next victim. She was also poor like Wanda. She thought she used to wear the hand-me-down dresses of Peggy. And somewhere she thought that Peggy would start teasing her after Wanda, and she kept quiet just to save herself. But in the end she realized her fault. She realized that she was guilty. And she felt that कि उसकी जो गलती थी वो Peggy से भी ज़्यादा थी. She knew what was right and wrong. कहीं ना कहीं उसका conscience उसे बता रहा था that she was doing the wrong thing by keeping quiet. तो जब आपको एहसास हो जाता है कि आप गलत हो और फिर भी आप अपने गलत को सही नहीं करते तो आप ज़्यादा दोषी होते हो. Peggy was mean, but she never realized that she was committing a great mistake. But Maddie did realize, and still she did not try to make things right. And that's why she knew that she was at guilt, and this was as bad as Peggy's behavior. Are we clear? Third question. Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb. And Gee, look how she can draw. So this has been the quotation which has been taken from the chapter itself. And the question goes, what led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb? Did she change her opinion later? Again, 2 parts. Yes?
Wanda never replied to Peggy's misbehavior and pranks that she faced every day, so her neutral face and unusual behavior led Peggy to think that Wanda was dumb. Later, Peggy changed her opinion after having a look on Wanda's sketches and her gesture of gifting her a drawing.
Okay. Yes, Moksh? Okay, the points that he added, that Wanda, she was a quiet girl, right? She never used to talk so much in the class. And the way she would just answer their question on being teased, and then she would move away to her own class, made Peggy believe that Wanda was a dumb girl. Wanda would never speak up for herself as well. She would just simply answer the questions. तो जिस तरह से वांडा का रिएक्शन आता था, वो चुपचाप चली जाती थी. After answering the question asked, how many dresses you have, she would say 100 lined up in a closet, और फिर चुपचाप वहाँ से चला जाना और किसी से बातें ना करना, अपने आप में रहना, इंट्रोवर्ट होकर रहना. These all behavior of Wanda made Peggy think that she was a dumb girl. कि उसे कॉमन सेंस नहीं है, उसे कुछ समझ नहीं आता कि वो उसका फन कर रहे हैं. They are making fun of her, right? Did she change her opinion later? Yes or no? Yes, she did change her opinion because she realized that how she was good at drawing. Her drawings were wonderful. Now, even if you say no, she didn't change her opinion, you have to justify. How many of you want to go with no? आपको लगता है कि उसका ओपिनियन नहीं बदला? वो कहती है ना, जो उसका एक्सप्रेशन है, लुक हाउ शी कैन ड्रॉ. वो इतनी भी डम नहीं थी, उसे कलर्स की पहचान थी. शी कुड एक्सप्रेस हरसेल्फ थ्रू ड्राइंग. शी वॉज नॉट अ डम गर्ल and she realized that, but she refused to accept it. Somewhere she was very overconfident and she underestimated Wanda, right? So this way you are going to justify the answer. Is there anything else that you want to add to this answer? आप में से कोई कुछ कहना चाहते हो? हाँ जी बेटा. You can also add this point here. Wanda, the way she gifted her dresses to Maddie and Peggy, this showed that she had forgiven them. और ये कोई stupid इंसान तो नहीं कर सकता है ना, एक wise person जिसमें sensible thoughts हैं. So this way, Peggy, she realized that Wanda was not a dumb girl. Is it clear? So she changed her opinion. She appreciated her drawings and she was in an awe looking at the dresses, that how wonderfully she could draw. I hope this answer is clear. Kindly wake up, beta, those who are sleeping at the last bench. I want you to answer the next question. Last bench boy, kindly stand up. Yes, stand up. Question number 4. What important decision did Maddie make? Why did she have to think hard to do so? No, let him answer first. Maddie ने एक important decision लिया. वो क्या था? Why did she have to think hard to do so? बताइए. Hurry up, the class is waiting for your answer.
Maddie made an important decision that she was never going to stand by and say nothing again to anyone on the behalf of their funny names, or even if they looked strange. She made this decision because, as she was the part of the bully, she felt so bad. Many nights she couldn't sleep as the blue dress and the little house Petronsky had lived in came into her mind.
Okay, anything else? Yes, Suhana? Answer is correct, but few more things can be added. Yes.
Maddie took an important decision. Maddie took an important decision that if she ever heard anybody bullying or teasing on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up, even if she lost Peggy's friendship. She thought hard about it because she was afraid that the next turn would be her of bullying, and she was also afraid of speaking so that she could not lose Peggy's friendship.
ठीक है, both the answers are correct. So आपको सारे points मिलाने हैं. सबसे पहले important decision क्या था? आप भी कहना चाहते हो दक्ष कुछ? Okay, add your answer, add your points.
Maddie decided to go to Wanda's house with Peggy to apologize that had happened, but Wanda had moved to big city. She felt bad because she blames herself for insulting Wanda, so she decided to raise voice against injustice, teasing and bullying.
ठीक है. So there are two parts. Now देखिए क्या important चीजें हैं. Maddie, she felt herself guilty. आपका आंसर शुरू यहाँ से होगा कि उसने अपनी गलती को रियलाइज किया. And she wanted to make things right. She even went to Wanda's house, but they had already moved away. So she started thinking what else she could do. And after a lot of thinking, she came up to a resolution. She made this determination that next time she would speak against any kind of bullying if she witnesses in her life. Right? So उसने क्या तय किया कि वो कमजोर लोगों के साथ खड़ी होगी, वो अब कावर्ड बिहेवियर नहीं शो करेगी, इवन एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ लूजिंग फ्रेंडशिप विद पेगी. वो पेगी से दोस्ती खोने को भी तैयार थी, लेकिन शी डिसाइडेड दैट नाउ शी वुड नॉट रिमेन क्वाइट. वो चुप नहीं रहेगी, वो अपनी आवाज उठाएगी. नाउ देयर इज सेकेंड पार्ट. व्हाई डिड शी हैव टू थिंक हार्ड टू डू सो? तो वही कुछ एक पॉइंट्स आएंगे. पेगी उसकी अच्छी दोस्त थी, वो उससे दोस्ती खोना नहीं चाहती थी. वो इस बात से भी डरती थी कि लोग उसका भी मजाक उड़ा सकते हैं. दे कुड स्टार्ट टीजिंग हर एज वेल. सो शी हैड टू थिंक हार्ड अ लॉट एंड शी प्रिपेयर्ड हरसेल्फ to face any kind of bullying in her life. She made this resolution that she would speak against such behavior of the people. She would not remain quiet, even if this led to losing friendship with Peggy. आपको पॉइंट समझ आ गए हैं? ठीक है जी. Question number 5. Why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses? Why are they surprised? Now it depends on your understanding, so you have to justify your answer by giving example. Yes, Moksh?
Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses because she gave the drawings to show the act of forgiveness. After all the bullying Maddie and Peggy did to Wanda, she forgave them and gave them the drawings. They were surprised because the drawings which Wanda gave to them had their faces on the dresses above. No one noticed that the faces were drawn, but actually when Maddie noticed, she noticed that the face of Maddie and Peggy were drawn on the dresses.
Yes, and those dresses were specially made for Peggy and Maddie. Yes. हाँ जी भूमि.
Wanda gifted the drawing to both Maddie and Peggy because, as she wanted to say that she had forgive both of them, and because of them also she had got an idea of those wonderful dresses. So. At last they were surprised because in the painting the colors were so vivid that no one can notice the faces drawn by her, and they saw that in both of the drawings their face was drawn by her.
Now here one thing I would like to correct Twitter, that as she said that Wanda might have got ideas from the teasing part, this section is Peggy's assumption. Peggy thought that way कि शायद उसके इस सवाल पूछने की वजह से ही उसे आइडियाज़ मिले, बट वांडा ऐसा सोचती है कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं था, सो ये पॉइंट नहीं ऐड करोगे. एंड फॉर दिस आंसर फर्स्ट यू विल टॉक अबाउट one or two traits of Wanda. That Wanda, she was a very talented and sensitive girl. To bring your answer to the fact that although she was hurt, but to show that she had forgiven the girls, Peggy and Maddie, for whatever they had done to Wanda, she gifted them those drawings. And those dresses were specially made for the girls, as we see that she had also drawn their faces along with the drawings of the dresses. Right? So, why are they surprised? इसमें दो बातें लिखोगे. एक बात जो आपने मिस की है, they did not expect this forgiveness from Wanda. उनको लगा नहीं था कि Wanda उन्हें माफ कर देगी. And moreover, she gifted them the dresses, the paintings of the dresses, and the dresses which had their faces drawn on it. And these things surprised the two girls. Right? So first, इस आंसर को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए आपको एक दो बातें, अच्छी बातें वांडा की लिखनी होगी कि वो दिल की कितनी अच्छी थी. वो सेंसिटिव थी, सेंसिबल थी और टैलेंटेड भी थी. और उसकी मैच्योरिटी दिखती है कि इतना सब कुछ झेलने के बाद भी उसने इन लड़कियों को माफ कर दिया था और दिल से माफ किया था. और ये किससे शो होता है? उसके जेस्चर ऑफ गिफ्टिंग द ड्रेसेस टू Peggy and Maddie. I hope the answer is clear. Yes, last boys, I hope you are still listening. Next question. Do you think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why not? Again, answer it logically. Yes, Vita, come.
Yes, I think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her, as she left the school because of the teasing done by the girls. But she didn't take the teasing on her heart, as she apologized them and gifted them the two dresses.
Okay, correct. Anything else can be added? There is more to it. Yes, Vita?
Yes, Wanda knew that girls were teasing her. She have known that children intended to make fun of her poverty and would have laughed at whatever she might have said. This could have been the reason for the exaggerating everything whenever she answered their questions.
Okay. Wait. Yes, Bhumi.
Yes, Wanda know that she was being bullied by the girls because she had told to his father, and due to this her father had decided to shift to the big city so that Wanda should not be mentally affected by these bullyings in the school, and to stop them from bullying. She sometimes also answered them that yes, she had 100 dresses in her closet so that she don't feel inferior.
Yes. समझ आया है आंसर? अब तो सुनाई दिया है. Okay. So, do you think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? So now you will start your answer by saying yes or no. But it is better if you now avoid writing answers like this. Yes, I believe. Taking line from the question, you can say that yes, I believe that Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her. Right? Yes or no avoid करोगे अब 10th में आ गए हो, आंसर को थोड़ा और बेटर वे में लिखने की कोशिश कीजिए. लिख सकते हो बट अवॉइड राइटिंग yes and no. It looks a little silly when you write that way, है ना? Then you will justify it. Write the points of justification why you feel that Wanda was really hurt. The way she would make a bold face while replying to the questions asked by Peggy and Maddie, saying that she had 100 dresses all lined up in closet. This was to hide the embarrassment that she would feel there, and also to make the children quiet. She would give such kind of answers, but at the same time she felt hurt, but she did not show her hurt feelings in front of these children. She would tell everything to her parents, and that's why Wanda's father decided that they would leave the city. They decided to go to a bigger city. Moreover, we later find that Wanda, she had already forgiven these girls when Miss Mason received a letter from Wanda, and we see that how Wanda, she gifted the 2 dresses to Peggy and Maddie. Although you will write that yes, she was hurt, but you will also add to this answer about the gesture of forgiveness shown by Wanda. Is it clear? Don't end the answer there that they moved away to the city. Also add about the letter written by Wanda which showed the gesture of her forgiveness to her. मोक्ष कुछ कहना चाहते हो? Yes, बोलिए.
I don't believe that that Wanda really thought that the girls were teasing her, because when they asked her the same questions, she would answer all the questions calmly and not get overexcited. She was also maybe she would also get the inspiration of making more new drawings from their gestures. She was actually not she was not teased but hurt of their saying. She also gave a reply to their hurting nature by giving them the drawings, which was a very sensible behavior.
Okay, chaliye, that is your answer. You can write it, but you have to justify it properly. Okay? So if you want to go for no, that Wanda never felt hurt, you have to justify the way Moksh has said now. So you have to include these points. It is totally your answer, your understanding. Whichever side you take, you have to justify the answer. But I would preferably say that yes, she was hurt. उसे बुरा लगता था, and that's why she would sit in the last row in the corner. She remained quiet. She would feel embarrassed, but she would make a brave face, bold attitude in front of the children there and reply that she had 100 dresses, 60 pair of shoes. She used to hide her embarrassment, the hurt feelings that she had, because that is why Wanda's father wrote that I don't want my children to be insulted every day. That means she would go back home and tell her parents about this. उसे बुरा लगता था तभी वो बताती थी. So go for answer that yes, she felt hurt. Okay, I think let's stop here today. In the next period we will discuss the back exercise. Those are important ones to be discussed. So अभी के लिए इतना ही. Okay, चलिए, thank you.